got the refrigerator and a little propane tank in here for it. And yes, I'm aware it's all supposed to be for outside. However, the shed is outside, so I think that counts for now. It's just a little 10 by 20 lofted, but it'll give us some storage space out here instead of everything sitting out in the elements. But just doing a little work in here tonight and go barbecue here in a little bit. Bought a 100-pound propane tank and learned, and none of my stuff would fit to it, so bought one of these little guys, Mr. Heater, little Y-female adapter, and I'll get up on this little tank for the time being, and hopefully that'll run the little refrigerator without anything blowing up. So we'll see. A few reviews said that these like to leak, but hopefully not, because that's all I can get for now. See what it looks like when I'm done. Alright. Got him all hooked up. And yes, I used some tape. However, I've never been successful with little spray bottles on propane. So I just sniff it for a long time. And I didn't smell nothing. So, hopefully it's good. Here in a second, I'm gonna light him. It's got a little aluminum drip pan back there right now just to protect the wood a little bit, and I'll pull it forward a little bit more just until I get everything all set up and get the tank out of here. Well, so far I don't smell nothing. I guess time to be adventurous and stress test it. Oh, I'm just kidding. Anywho, I don't do a lot of video editing or nothing like that. I want at least what we're putting out there to be real life and true, and it's pretty difficult. It's taken almost a month just to get to where we're at now. But I'll probably snip together a couple of these little videos, but that's why I don't do a lot of editing. So if anybody wants to go and do this, they can see what their life's gonna be like for a while.